Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Some of you have mentioned that you are not able to create Omnistudio trailer using the previous link we posted in our channel. I'm here now with the new way of creating an org with Omnistudio features. Open the link given in the pinned comment. Go all the way down till industry-based trials. You can either choose Finance Cloud or Comms Cloud or even any other cloud. I haven't tried others. You can pick either a configured org or unconfigured one. This org will have Omnistudio features as part of it. Fill in all the details in the form and submit. Click start your free trials twice if it is not working in the first time. I received an email with the org details in 30 minutes. Hope this will help you creating your Omnistudio trial org and happy learning.